Jamaica Day turn up loud and proud as Nicasha Burchell step in and mash up the schoolyard with pure vibes and motivation. Family, welcome back to Michy commentary, where we highlight the moments that matter across Jamaica. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we bring you the positive stories too. It was a celebration of culture, confidence, and community as Neikeshia Burchell lit up the campus on Jamaica Day. Dressed in black and gold, she didn't just come to speak, she came to connect. From dancing and interacting with the students to stepping up on the mic with powerful words of encouragement, she showed that leadership is not only about parliament, it's about presence.
Of America. Is this America? No! But I'm looking at the uniform. Is this Ethiopia? No! This look to me like Kenya. Is Kenya this? No! Then it's where I go. Then tell me I was going to Kenya. Is where it is? Jamaica! This is Jamaica? Yes! Where are they? Jamaica! So how would I know that this is Jamaica? Jamaica. Because that's in the flag. How else would I know? What is Patois? Say something in Patois, my ear. Who can say something in Patois? Who can say something else in Patois? Yeah. Say something else in Patois. What about your business? Wagwan. I'm in Jamaica. It's looking lost. How would I know I'm in Jamaica? The dressing. How Jamaicans dress? We dress bossy, don't we? We dress like what? We dress like hot girl. Alright. How else we know it's Jamaica? We're celebrating Jamaica Day. Because Jamaicans celebrate Jamaica Day. How else I would know I'm in Jamaica? Clothes. How else? Our culture. What do you love about the Jamaican culture? Tell me, what part of Jamaican culture you love? I love the dance. What else you love? The food. What else you love about our culture? The food. What else you love about the culture? Dancehall music. Our singing, reggae, our language. You have something to tell me, tell me. What is it about the Jamaican culture? Dance. Our color. Our color. I love that one. So that means nobody not going to bleach them skin, don't it? Because you love your Jamaican color, don't it? You are black, beautiful and proud, right? Alright, I have one more question. Because remember I don't know Jamaica, I know. How you spell Jamaica? Jamaican island taboo. Yes, the island taboo. Jamaica island taboo. Wanna know that song? Wanna know what is the Dinky Mini? Wanna know what is the Maypole? Wanna know what is Kumina? Wanna know a lady named Nanny of the Maroon? Marcus Mosiah Garvey? Samuel Sharp?
The students were fully engaged, waving their flags, cheering, and soaking up every moment. Jamaica Day is about embracing who we are as a people, our resilience, our music, our colors, and our pride. And when leaders take the time to celebrate with the youth, it sends a strong message. You matter. Your culture matters. Your future matters. Big up to the teachers, staff, and students who made the day special. Moments like these build confidence and strengthen community spirit. That's how we celebrate Jamaica, with pride, passion, and positivity. Walk good Jamaica.